Chapter 13 A Good Citizen. Learning Objectives. 1. To understand the qualities of a good citizen. 2. Stealing is a bad habit. 3. To give value to helping others. Warm up. Color the given picture with pencil colors and name the figure and its location. Also, mention who created it and when. Name of the figure, location, creator, time. Mrs. Chopra planned to visit market on Saturday. She was carrying an umbrella with her. There was a bench in front of a jewelry shop. She sat there for a while. A red Alto car came and stopped in front of the shop. A man came out of the car. He had a cap on his head and a scarf round his face and neck. He broke the window of the jewelry shop. He started collecting gold jewelry. He put all into his bag. Then he rushed towards his car. Mrs. Chopra was watching this. As the man was rushing towards his car, she pushed her umbrella in front of him. The man stumbled and fell. "Thief! Thief!" shouted Mrs. Chopra. A police van was moving there. The policeman ran and caught the thief red-handed. The shopkeeper and some other people also came. The policeman told the whole story to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper collected his gold ornaments. He went to Mrs. Chopra and thanked her. He said to her, "You are brave and clever." He took her inside the shop and gave her a gold ring. He said, "This is my way of saying thank you." Mrs. Chopra thanked the shopkeeper, but she didn't accept the gold ring. She said, "I am a good citizen, and a good citizen is not paid for being one." Exercises. Answer the following questions. A. Where did Mrs. Chopra go in the morning? Answer. Mrs. Chopra gone to the market in the morning. B. Where was the bench? Answer. The bench was in front of the jewelry shop. C. What did Mrs. Chopra carry with her? Answer. Mrs. Chopra carried an umbrella with her. D. Who got off the car? Describe him. Answer. A man got off the car. He had a cap on his head and a scarf round his neck and face. E. Who caught the thief? Answer. Mrs. Chopra caught the thief. F. What did the shopkeeper do first? What did he say to Mrs. Chopra? Answer. The shopkeeper collected his gold ornaments and then he thanked to Mrs. Chopra. G. What did the shopkeeper give her? Did Mrs. Chopra accept it? Answer. The shopkeeper gave her a gold ring. Mrs. Chopra didn't accept the gold ring. Find their meanings. A. Red-handed, guilty. B. Ornaments, jewelry. C. Citizen, native. D. Blow of wind. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. A red Alto car came and stopped in front of the shop. B. The thief had a cap on his head and a scarf round his face and neck. C. 2 policemen ran up and caught the thief red-handed. Tick the right options. A. What did Mrs. Chopra do outside the jewelry shop? 1. What jewelry? 2. Stand on one leg. 3. Sit on the bench. 3. Sit on the bench. B. What stopped in front of the shop? 1. Police van. 2. Car. 3. Truck. 2. Car. C. Who was caught red-handed? 1. Mrs. Chopra. 2. Thief. 3. Shopkeeper. 2. Thief. D. Who said thank you to Mrs. Chopra? 1. Policeman. 2. Thief. 3. Shopkeeper. 3. Shopkeeper. Match the following. Column A. Citizen, jewelry, vehicle. Column B. Ornament, car, or resident of a country. Answer: citizen or resident of a country. Jewelry, ornament. Vehicle, car. Writing skills. Can you be a responsible citizen? What can you do? Write any 2 things in the space below. Reading skills. Read the following paragraph and discuss each point with your classmate in depth. The following characteristics define the qualities of a good citizen. A. Sound health. A strong, healthy citizen is a good citizen. He is careful and cautious in his commitment to the rules of good health. A sound mind exists only in a sound body. B. Intelligence and education. A good citizen is educated enough to distinguish between right and wrong and has an objective viewpoint on everything. He has a degree. Because of his education, he can help society more successfully and effectively. C. Self-control and self-assurance. A good citizen has a clear head and uses self-control while communicating with the public. He has a focused personality. He doesn't have any bad habits. He inspires self-assurance without being arrogant. D. Public spirit. A good citizen is willing to engage actively in all areas of public life. He is willing to stand up for others' rights and participates actively in all civic affairs. E. Self-sacrifice. A good citizen puts the welfare of society before his own interest. He has a spirit of giving and loyalty to the greater good. F. Honest voting. A good citizen should be truthful when casting his or her ballot. His judgment is unaffected by self-interest or sectarian interest of the state, class, church, or society. G. Sincere performance of duties. A good citizen performs his duties sincerely and faithfully. He cooperates with the state officials in the discharge of their duties and makes due payment of taxes. H. Right ordering of loyalties. Good citizenship exists in the right ordering of loyalties. A citizen is a member of various social groups, that is, family, locality, city, state, and the world. Listening and speaking skills. 2 children are talking about what they will do when they grow up. Listen to them and say which of these sentences are true or false. A. The girl wants to become a doctor. B. The boy wants to become a famous cricketer. C. The boy says he will give her a CD with his songs. D. The girl says she will look for him on TV. Project Being a Good Citizen. There are many ways to be a good citizen. Hello, neighbor. When you have a picnic at the park, you clean up after yourself. If you see a crime being committed, You call the police. You respect your neighbors by being polite and kind to them. You vote in elections. Do you do any of the things above? Which ones? What do you think it means to be a good citizen? What else can you do to be a good citizen? On the back of the sheet, draw a picture below of yourself being a good citizen. Life skills. Good citizens. What makes a good citizen? Can you identify the difference between a good and a bad manners? Good citizens, bad citizens. Recycle, obey laws, harm their community, break laws, help their community, litter.